What if I told you there's a roller coaster that's taller, faster, and has more airtime than one of Florida's most famous B&M coasters? Yeah, I'm talking about Nitro, and it might just be one of the best hypercoasters in the world. Let me prove it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Matt Machine, and today I'm giving you my full review of Nitro at Six Flags Great Adventure. If you've been on Mako at SeaWorld Orlando and thought that was incredible, wait until you hear what Nitro brings to the table, because, trust me, this ride delivers. So before we dive into all the airtime and adrenaline, make sure you like this video, leave a comment with your favorite hypercoaster, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more coaster content every single week. Let's ride! Nitro opened all the way back in 2001, but don't let its age fool you. This coaster is still going toe-to-toe with the best B and M hypers on the planet. It stands 230 feet tall. That's a full 30 feet taller than Mako. And it hits a top speed of 80 miles per hour, faster than Mako's 73. And let me tell you, you feel that speed. As soon as you crest that massive lift hill and dive into the first drop, it's airtime city. I'm talking floaty, sustained airtime on almost every hill. B&M nailed the pacing on the first half of Nitro. It's smooth, fast, and filled with these beautifully shaped camelbacks that launch you out of your seat. But where Nitro really sets itself apart is the second half. This is what I wish every B&M hypercoaster had. You get a mid-course brake run, which gives you a second to breathe, and then bam! It throws you into a wild turnaround, quick transitions, and even a helix that actually pulls G's and doesn't feel like filler. No joke. If Mako had Nitro's second half, it might be the best hypercoaster in the world. But Nitro already has it, so that crown might belong here. Now don't get me wrong, Mako is amazing. It's glossy smooth, and those airtime hills are legendary. But it kind of ends too soon, right? Nitro keeps the energy going all the way until you hit the brake run. It's more aggressive, more relentless, and in my opinion, just more fun. If I had to choose between them, Nitro wins for me every time. What really makes Nitro stand out is how it balances that old school B and M charm with legit airtime and a sense of speed. The lap bars give you that freedom to fly, and whether you're in the front or the back row, you're going to catch major air. Every hill, every turn, every drop. Nitro is giving you something. There's no dead spots here. This ride is non-stop from beginning to end. Whether you're a seasoned thrill seeker or just getting into coasters, Nitro is the perfect mix of thrilling and accessible. It's intense without being overwhelming. And for a park like Six Flags Great Adventure, it's still one of the best rides in the lineup, even with El Toro and Medusa nearby. This coaster has stood the test of time, and it's still flying high. So do you agree with me? Is Nitro one of the best B&M hypers in the world? Or do you think Mako still reigns supreme? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Matt Machine, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss my next video. I've got a lot more coaster content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.